versus RS4. To the traction part. So yet again, the RS4 a bit faster, but
yes,
extremely close. I would say that the cars are quite similar.
Yeah, I think so. Quite similar. Yeah.
Yeah. So here we are in a M3 E46 CS versus the M3 CSL for GTBOARD and M5 board. What do you thought of the race?
Little bit after what should be.
So the M3 CSL was a bit faster than its brother, the M3 CS. Both E46 model W for M5 board and GTBOARD. Now we're riding in the RS4 for GTBOARD versus the M3 CSL. how did that feel to take M3 CSL?
It was a great feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah. Brilliant win for the RS4.
Yeah. You took the start.
Yeah.
And you hold him in a firm grip all the way.
Yes.
From rolling start from 50 to what was it? 260.
251.
The
You
top
can see
speed
there.
was.
And that's actual speed as well.
Yeah.
GPS.
So from 50 to actual GPS measured velocity of 251 kilometers per hour. The new RS4 was a bit quicker than the M3 CSL, but it was very, very close.
Yes, it was indeed.
This is an event for M5 board and GTBOARD.com. M3 CSL versus new M3. So how do you think it went?
Well, this is a track car.
Yeah.
I guess the extra horsepower in the E90 makes some difference.
Yeah. But it was pretty close there in the beginning.
Yeah.
But in the higher speeds, the M3 came. The new M3 was a bit faster.
Yeah, I guess there's like 60 horsepower difference, and well, not much I can do. I can just shift with the pads and give it
And
full
enjoy the
throttle.
ride.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So now we're riding in a 335 tuned against the standard M5 touring for GTBOARD and M6board.com. I must say that was a very, very close call. I mean, the performance were, the M5 was a bit quicker, but not by much.
Okay. M6 versus M3 V8 for M5 board and GT board. See how fast he is in the corners. Corner is coming up. I know we have to brake. It's a bit faster. Strong corner there.
Yeah.
Gonna
chase him again.
So Gustav, what do you think about the performance of the M3 compared to the M6?
Well, this is expected, but in the corners we outhandle him.
Yeah.
I would like to have the M6 engine in the M3.
Yeah.
Thank you.